is used along with crisp and 9K standing in front of you all to reduce a project which is automatic home protection system. This model will protect our house from LPG leakages, smoke and thieves. And this is the gas sensor which will detect the smoke and will display the output on LCD screen as well as on the mobile phone using Bluetooth module. And this is the photodiode, and whenever any light falls on it, the buzzer starts to make sound. And now Prince will give the description of it.
Now I will give the description of this project. This model protect our house from LPG leakages, gas, smoke, etc. by detecting gas smoke and displaying AQI on LCD screen. We can also monitor through our smartphone along with the real-time data using Bluetooth. This model plays a special role as a security alarm system which protect our house from thieves. Whenever any light falls on a photodiode, the buzzer starts to make the sound. Now I will show the demo. This is a LPG gas. You can see the data on LCD screen and also on the smartphone. Once more time.
And whenever any light falls on the photodiode, as you can see, the buzzer starts to make sound. One more time.
Thank you.